Game over, man. Game over. We're getting the fuck out of here. Say goodbye, hell.
I usually like hell, but this is too much hell for me.
Yosef?
Does a cat work?
You
We
warm?
all do, not in this weather, or this bad.
You warm-blooded cat.
Oh yeah.
Go to
Well,
hell.
I would have been fine too if, I had a non-frozen wet sleeping bag that froze.
Not to mention, I've bitched about it enough times probably already, but my sleeping bag sucked.
It broke.
And it broke.
Oh god, this is a pain.
And as soon as we get some cell phone signal, I'm going to call my girlfriend and let her know that it was really pretty much thoughts of her that got me through the night, because there was a small point in there where I was pretty convinced I was going to die. So, love you, Katie. Get some words from Borba, but he's too busy paying attention to backing us out of hell.
Taking our mild shortbread.
Isn't this ridiculous? It's how much space we have. It's not much of a gap.
We got about a foot over here.
Your mom has a foot over there. I see road.
I see a stop sign.
Road? Oh my god, it's too good to be true.
Now this will be interesting.
Interesting factoid. The news said, what, 3 to 6 inches? Would like to clarify. That, my friends, is 3 to 6 feet. Okay, it's more like 3 feet, but hey. This is why we were not well prepared. Not our fault. We were lied to by the fucking news media. Down with the man and all that jazz. Any parting words?
Safeway. Oh god.
Internet lied
Give me
to
a
us.
beer.
Hey, hey.